These are the 3 easiest ways to make $1,000 per month online. Now, I've just dabbled in these and I'm going to show you my results, but there are people making a full-time living or even $50,000 or $100,000 per month doing these same businesses. The best part is that you can start today. All that you need is your iPhone. You don't need an LLC. You don't need any startup money. You can literally get started today with $0. The first business is going to be the Amazon affiliate program. I haven't done anything with this in a while just because I chose to pursue other things. You can see I'm still earning $25 a month, and this is from work that I did probably a year ago. We can go to my payment history though and see that when I was actually trying this, I was getting paid around $1,000 a month. $970 in February, $1,069 in March, $832 in April, and $1,051 in May. Prior to 2023, I just kind of dabbled with this, and then I realized, oh, this could be a thing, and I started to kind of take it more seriously. I kind of started in January, and I was able to get to $1,000 a month pretty quickly. Then I kind of decided, I want to focus on some other things, and it fell off a little bit. But basically, you want to sign up for the Amazon affiliate program. And then any Amazon products that you have, you can make a 30-second to 1-minute review, or even longer if you want. And you just want to do a quick video review. Now, when someone goes to a product, some people want to see the video reviews so they can see this product in action, see what it's all about. So right here we have a bunch of video reviews. So if I click on one of these and I watch this and then I decide okay, this is the binder that I want, and I purchase this, whoever made this video is going to get a little bit of money. So you make these short video reviews and you upload them for whatever products you have lying around your house. You can also buy products from Amazon and do a review as well. So I'm going to blur these, but you can see these are the items that I shipped and sold. You can see the amount that was sold, and you can see the amount of commission that I got. So this is what I'm being paid for each time someone watches one of those videos and then makes a purchase. So a very simple business where you don't need much knowledge or skill or anything at all. You just record a product and you talk about it, upload it, and you start making money. The second business I'm going to talk about is YouTube Shorts. So I started making these videos about Pokemon cards, collectibles, conventions, stuff like that. I just go around, make these simple videos, upload them, and then YouTube pays me. You can see this month I'm going to make $2,471. There are certain requirements for this. You need to reach 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time or 10 million YouTube Shorts views within the past 90 days. When I first started, I thought, oh, this will be impossible. This is crazy to reach this. Once you get going and you're consistent, it really isn't that bad. So I upload one YouTube short every day, and my results have been very good so far. And this definitely isn't a flex. There's people that are making insane amounts of money with this right now. $30,000 a month, $50,000 a month, $100,000 a month, millions a month. There's really no cap once you learn this skill and actually try and apply it. And on YouTube, I'm just uploading videos that are less than a minute. Way number 3 is essentially the same thing, but on TikTok. So I take the same videos, I tweak them to be over 1 minute, and that's how you earn on TikTok in the Creator Rewards program. To qualify to earn here, you pretty much only need 10,000 followers. Now, these requirements and thresholds seem difficult, but the platforms kind of pump these short form content. They're constantly feeding it to people. So these milestones are more easily attainable than what you would think if you want to dedicate yourself to it. So here I've earned 1.7K this month, and I was paid 1.4K last month. I have 2.5 million qualified views, and my RPM is 69 cents. So basically that means per 1,000 views, I'm making 69 cents. And with YouTube and TikTok, again, you don't need any startup money. You don't need an investment. You don't need an LLC. You don't need any of that stuff. You just need a mobile phone where you can record stuff. Might not even need to edit it at all, but if you do want to edit it, do some cuts, add some captions, things like that, you can use the CapCut app. It's really just about finding a niche that you're interested in and getting to work. There's what I think are the 3 simplest businesses right now. I hope you guys enjoyed this, found it helpful. Let us know what you think down in the comments below. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.